Welcome to Style Skating. My student just got new skates and we are going to break them in. We will start with simple forward swizzles. We're going to bend your knees and ankles first and then draw swizzle. Make sure that you bend your knees first and then go into swizzle. Then we're going to repeat same backward, focusing on our alignment, keeping back straight, hips under, and start swizzle from bending your knees and ankles first. Next, lunges or slalom, forward and backward. It's good exercise to bend your knee forward and feel yourself in balance because you're gliding on 2 feet. Same we're going to do backward. Straight back, head up, arms out, and bend your knee forward that you can feel pressure against your boot. Now we're going to do quicker slalom with both feet together and pressing every time with your knees forward and draw half circles. Quick slalom or power pulls on 2 feet. Backward, same exercise. You can see she's getting more and more comfortable. Now cross rolls, but without extension, just keeping your feet closer together, keep your knees bent, and going forward first and then backward. Just quick cross rolls with your feet close together, trying to get in cross-leg position every time when you step. There's another one, very easy, everybody can do it. 2-foot glide and just bend your knees forward. Make sure that your back absolutely straight. You can see on this picture she leaned forward and her hips went back. So now we're trying to fix it. You can see much better posture. And her knees need to be over her toes. Backward, back straight, hips under, and bending your knees and ankles. You can see nice posture here, very straight back and hips over your heels. 1-foot glide, going up and down, bending your knee, and it's getting better and better. You can see how deep she bending her knee and her upper body pretty straight, her hips over her heel. Free leg straight, turn out and point. And just keep going as low as you can. Her knee is all the way over her toe. This is very good position. Going backward and doing same backward. You can see again knee is over her toe and her back straight. Extend your free leg, turn out, point, arms to the side and head up. And then just forward stroking with double plie. You go down, up, down, and then bring your feet together and switch your leg. And now we're going to do same backward. Backward stroking with double plie. Extend your free leg in front, turn out, point, and keep your back straight. These exercises are great for skating even if you're not breaking in your boots. Now power pulls forward on one foot, keeping your free leg on the side. Same as we did earlier on 2 feet. Power pulls, now we're doing on 1 foot. And now backward. Main focus on all these exercises is bending your knee and ankle and keeping your hips under. Thank you for watching. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.